Are you tired of uploading high quality videos just to see them sit at 10 views for weeks, for months? Guys, I was in that exact position. Yes, I felt like the algorithm was hiding my content. But then I discovered a simple trick that didn't just increase my views. It exploded my watch time and also forced YouTube to start suggesting my videos to new people literally overnight. So the best part is, this is 100% beginners friendly. Yes, so today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I fix my dead channel using the power of consistent live streaming. Now, why is your channel stuck? That is one question you need to ask. Okay, you know why? Because most small creators are stuck because they are fighting for search and suggested views against giants. Now, when you upload a 5 minutes video, you need 10,000 of people to watch it for you to get a significant watch time. But when you go live, the rules change. Yes, YouTube prioritizes live content in the feed because it keeps users on the platform longer. So if you have 10 people watching your live for 30 good minutes, that is 300 minutes of watch time in a single sitting. And that sends a massive signal to YouTube that your channel is actually engaging. Now, how does this work and how can you fix it? So here is the secret. When you stream consistently, 3 things are bound to happen. 1, the notification boost. Now, YouTube will start sending your live notification differently than uploaded notification. What do I mean? Once you click on that live video for you to go live, YouTube will start giving people notification that you are live. So imagine if you're going live every day and people are getting notification of your live video. That is what we call what? Notification boost. And it will be, many people will be notified everywhere that you are going live. Then what else happens when you consistently live stream is what? The community bond. It helps to stretch that community bond. Now, live streaming builds super fans. I don't know if you are aware. If you are always live streaming, you are building a strong community. You are building a strong super fans. Now, mind you that people who talk to you live when you are live streaming are 10 times more likely to click your next upload. So long as what you are doing in your live video resonates with your long form video, they are automatically going to be watching your long form video. So you see, that bond has been created and it has been stretched. Then also, when you live stream consistently, there is what we call the replay value. So once the stream ends, it becomes a regular video on your channel that continues to rake in views even while you sleep. I noticed that after my streams, yes, my other videos started getting more views because the stream fed the algorithm fresh updates. So do not underestimate the power of what? Live streaming. Now, what I'm going to give you guys a beginner strategy on how you can actually go about live streaming the right way. Okay, you don't need any fancy gear, you just need a schedule. You understand? You need to start with at least 2 or 3 times in a week. Like, find out any time in a week, in any of the days of the week. Do you have chance to be going live twice or 3 times or 4 times in a week? If you have that chance to be even going live every day, that is wonderful and amazing. It is going to really help you a lot. So you see, live streaming consistently helps. But if you're not able to live stream consistently every day, find out days you have chance and maintain it. Remember that consistency is the key. Consistency is not when you are doing something every day, but you finding that specific time and maintaining it, and days also, and maintaining it. Then also the interaction. Please, when you are live streaming, don't just talk at the camera. Answer every single question or comment that people drop in your comment section. Give people shout outs. call their name, say something very nice and sweet to them. Ask them, where are you guys joining me from? Let me know in the comment section. Say something that will trigger engagement. Make your viewers and fans to feel seen. Don't just set the camera and sit, and maybe you're in the kitchen doing dishes, you don't talk to your camera. If I come to such live video, I will bounce out like a bouncing castle. Now the last thing is what? The bridge. So at the end of every of your stream, make your viewers to please tell them, I have a particular video on my video. Go and watch that video. Do you understand? Do you understand that this is how you can turn a live viewer into a permanent subscriber? Refer them to one of your videos that you have. Let them go and watch it. Then finally, guys, consistency isn't just about how often you upload. It is about how often you show up. So if you want to see your views move from the bottom of the graph to the top, you need to start first. Stream this weekend. Don't just wait for that perfect camera. Don't go live. If you found this very, very helpful, guys, please subscribe for more growth hack. Let us get those views up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. Share this video, which is very, very important, and drop in the comment section, do you always live stream? What changes did you notice while you live stream or after live streaming? I would love to hear it in the comment section. Okay.